Okay, good morning, guys. So today, let us understand the drivers which are available in SSIS. So commonly, when you have a source computer here and you have a destination computer here, in between you have SSIS server which is running. So SSIS server has to be having a connection with the source, and SSIS computer should have a connection to the destination, right? So when you wanted to connect to the source or a destination, so normally you need to have a wire or the network, plus you have to have a driver that is installed to connect to the data source. Okay, the common drivers are we have ODBC driver and OLEDB driver to connect to the source and to connect to the destinations. So what is the ODBC driver and what is the OLEDB driver? Let us understand. So here we have ODBC driver, Open Database Connectivity, only for relational database, SQL Server, Oracle, and Teradata. All these are called SQL servers. If you wanted to connect to these SQL servers or SQL databases and all, you have to use ODBC. OLEDB means Object Linking and Embedding Database Connectivity for both relational and non-relational databases, and you have to use this. For example, I wanted to connect to RDBMS plus raw files. Let us understand. Normally, you have data available in SQL. SQL means here RDBMS. Okay. So data may be available in RDBMS or data may be available in files. File means non-RDBMS or non-SQL. Okay. So in the IT industry, the data may be available in SQL, that is RDBMS, and the data may be available in the files. File can be a Excel or a flat file or a raw file or notepad or MS Word. All these are different files. Okay, but MS Word is Microsoft proprietary, not MS Word here. We're talking about Excel and other files. So when we have data in SQL Server, in RDBMS or maybe in non-RDBMS, to access the data, you have to normally use ODBC to get the data from the RDBMS computers. Okay, and if you wanted to retrieve the data from RDBMS systems as well as from the Excel or flat file or notepads, then you have to use OLEDB drivers. So OLEDB internally will connect to ODBC. ODBC will be internally connecting to the SQL databases. SQL means not SQL Server here, RDBMS. So Teradata, Oracle, MySQL, Netezza, DB2, all these are comes under SQL databases or RDBMSs. Okay. So did you find the difference between ODBC and OLEDB? ODBC always will be talking to the RDBMS, and OLEDB can talk to the ODBC. ODBC get the data from RDBMS computers, and OLEDB directly talk to the files, and it should be able to get the data from the other one. Okay, so if you use OLEDB, you should be able to connect any system in this world. Okay, and on top of the OLEDB, you have ADO given by Microsoft, and when you have ADO, then you have ADO.NET. .NET are Microsoft proprietary drivers, and these drivers will be there as part of the SSIS. Okay, so ODBC, OLEDB, primarily the drivers which are installed or used to connect to the SSIS source or SSIS the destinations. So this is the talking about the driver. If the driver is not there, definitely you have to install the drivers, and then only you should be able to connect to the computers. So did you understand the point? So this is what is the drivers I'm talking about.